intentions were. I was asking her what her plan was, and I thought her testimony was going to be, I planned to go to Novi on this date at this time.
First problem there, in my opinion, is for an attorney to say, I thought my client would say this. This is a jury trial, and if you haven't followed Jennifer Crumbley's attorney, she's currently in a jury trial, and it's all over TikTok, and she's talking about a client opening the door, meaning there are things that sometimes both parties agree will not be discussed because it's prejudicial or for whatever reason it doesn't need to come into this trial. But there's a small rule that says if you open the door, meaning if you bring up that subject, then the prosecution is allowed to continue that subject that which you had already agreed would not come in.
I didn't plan for her to say, my attorney told me to do this.
So for an attorney to say, I didn't plan for her to say, really is saying that she didn't plan. See, as attorneys, you need to meet with your clients multiple times. We're right now about to start a jury trial, and we literally have met with the client every day for the last 2 weeks. That testimony, if the client is going to testify, needs to be going hashed out over and over and over and over. True preparedness is like going out into the wilderness, that anything can happen, and I need to know what's going to happen and have the ability to pivot.
Was the plan we had. That was what I was in touch with Miss McDonald about, but she wouldn't call me back. Okay.
Now she's passively putting that onto the prosecution, who wouldn't call me back. The reality is, a lot of times things mess up, you lose composure. It shouldn't happen in a courtroom.